Alrighty guys, I'm going to show you how much snow we got from the blizzard of 2013 here. Looking out towards the driveway here, you can see there's my mom's truck. And then my escape right there, they're pretty much totally covered. The snow is pretty deep. This tree right here, there's actually branches right near the ground. Just because of the weight of the snow. Looking towards the breezeway, I just shoveled enough as to where we could get into the garage. This door goes into the garage. Whole bunch of snow piled up. That's looking out towards the backyard. The potting shed. The gas grill is totally covered. We got a lot of snow, definitely. I'd say we probably got at least 2 foot, if not more. So hopefully we can start shoveling out. I don't have a snowblower, and my tractor with snowblower is actually apart. It's been apart since like June or July. But you can see that we definitely got a lot of snow here in Connecticut. You can't really see much. It is actually kind of nice out. According to the thermometer, it's like 25 degrees out. So, thanks for watching, guys.